Hi everyone, we're going to sketch the graph of this polynomial and we'll fill out this information first. So we have to determine the degree, and what I'm going to do is just, so I don't have to put this in standard form, all you do is add these up. So this is 2 plus 1 plus 2, so the degree, our n, equals 5. Alright, that means our maximum turning points of the graph is going to be 5 minus 1. We might, so we can have up to 4 turning points. We'll discuss end behavior in just a minute. Our y-intercept is when x is 0. So when x is 0, plug in 0, you get 0 times negative 2 times 4, and that equals 0. So our y-intercept is 0. If your y-intercept is 0, you also have an x-intercept there. And, of course, your zeros, that's your x-intercepts, is when y is 0. So if this is 0, then your x-intercepts will be 0 here. If you plug in 0 there, we already saw that, you get 0. And if you plug in 2, you get 0 here, and that knocks those other two factors out. Or it could be negative 4, or it is negative 4. So let's write those down. We have 0, 0, 0, 2, and 0, negative 4. All right? And we'll discuss this where y is negative and positive when we do the graph. So let's talk about end behavior. Remember, our degree is 5, and also it's positive. Since our degree is odd, it resembles our graph of y equals x to the 5th, a quintic function. So that's where it's kind of very steep but really flat in here. And we don't really care so much about what this graph looks like, except where it starts and ends. So our end behavior, if you're graphing from left to right, we're starting in quadrant 3, which is negative, negative, and we're ending in quadrant 1, which is positive, positive. And that's why you get this right here. All right, as x tends to get more positive, goes to infinity, so does our y. Goes to positive. And as our x goes to negative, gets bigger and bigger negatives, so does our y. All right, so that's where we're going to start, and then we're going to fill in everything. And I forgot to write the problem down. The problem is y equals x squared, x minus 2, times x plus 4 squared. So our x and y intercept, one of them is at 0, 0. We also have x-intercept or 0 at 2 and at negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're not going to worry about min and max values. We're just going to sketch the graph. So we know we're starting in quadrant 3 and we're ending in quadrant 1. Also, if you have an even number here, that means it's going to touch the x axis, but it's not going to cross. If it's an odd number, it can cross. So as we go up to negative 4, since that goes with this factor, we only can touch it. So then we come back down and go to 0. Since we go to 0, at 0, this is our 0 factor, that is also even, so it just touches it and comes back down. And again, we're not going to worry about how far down or anything. We're just going to get the general idea of the curve. So then when we go to our 2 here, that is an odd number, so that means we can cross. So we're going to cross the x-axis, and there's your graph. And finally, let's talk about where is our f of x negative, our y negative. Well, y is negative in quadrant 3 and 4, so y is negative. This whole curve here is negative because it's below this line y equals 0. So our y is negative, or f of x is negative, between negative infinity and 2. And then our y, or f of x, is positive from 2 to infinity. So that's going to be 2 to infinity. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.